Anthony Bourdain had a knack for finding the most unique and off-the-beaten-path culinary experiences. In Hanoi, he mentioned a special unnamed restaurant near a bird market, a place where birdsong filled the air and insects were on the menu. Today, we're on a mission to find it. My only clue? Follow the birdsong. So I hopped on my bike and headed in the direction where the chirps and calls were the loudest. The bird market was a vibrant hub of activity, a symphony of feathered voices. It felt like I was getting closer to Bourdain's hidden gem. And then I spotted it, Quán Kiến 100. Could this be the place? A restaurant specializing in insect meals conveniently located steps from a bird market? Stepping inside, the atmosphere was unique, filled with a sense of local authenticity. I knew I had to check the menu. And there it was, a dish that immediately rang a bell. Sticky rice with ant eggs. This was a dish Bourdain himself had tried. There was only one thing left to do, try it for myself. The texture was unlike anything I'd experienced before, and the taste surprisingly delicious. But the adventure didn't stop there. I also noticed a selection of traditional rice liquors, further hinting at the kind of authentic experience Bourdain often sought. Is Quán Kiến 100 the exact unnamed restaurant Bourdain visited? It's hard to say for sure, but the proximity to the bird market, focus on unique ingredients like insects, and especially the ant egg sticky rice, make a strong case.
Come back here sometime. White crickets, silkworm, weevil, coconut weed.
Whether or not this was the place, our culinary journey to Quán Kiến 100 was an unforgettable one, a true taste of Hanoi's adventurous food scene in the spirit of Anthony Bourdain. Sometimes the best discoveries are found just by following birds.
here on the